So no questions. So okay, so we started in chapter 1 last time. I'm not going to repeat, but it's very, very intense. So that's why we go very slow. Try to understand every sentence. So Rambam, he explained in the first chapter, so the topic is on soul and its powers. So we're discussing here all of the 5 powers of the soul. So it's same soul, but 5 powers. So continue from where we left off last time. So it's new paragraph. Elements that govern stimulation is a power that attracts or repels a person from an entity. The action this power will inspire are seeking, fleeing, and the appreciation of particular entity, and the rejection of it, anger, desire, fear, courage, cruelty, mercy, love, hate, and many other emotional states. So let's try to understand this. Okay. So one more time this paragraph, and we try to understand, to explain and understand. The elements govern stimulation. So it's one of the powers, right? Stimulation is a power that attracts or repels a person from any entity. So attracts, so something that you attracted to, or repels, like we would say fear, right? The action, this power will inspire seeking, right? So you seek for something, right? Fleeing, so it's opposite, right? You try to avoid something. The appreciation of a particular entity, so you like something, right? Or a rejection of it, or you want to stay away from it. Anger, right? Desire, fear, courage, cruelty, mercy, love, hate, and many other emotional states. Okay, continue. The vessels that express these various actions are the limbs and organs. For example, an action of the hands is motion. The action of the feet is walking. The action of the eyes is sight. The action of the heart is courage or fear. Similarly, the other organs and limbs of the body and their actions are vessels that express the power of stimulation. So now Rambam connects all of the feelings, this power of stimulation, to different organs of the body. So I'm not going to repeat. I think it's simple. He said the hands, hands, feet, right, sight. Okay, so continue. Heart.